What's going on, guys? I hope everyone's having a great day, and if not, I hope watching this video makes things a little bit better. And here I'm with my beautiful girlfriend Faith.
Hey guys.
And in today's video we're gonna try to teach her how to ride my YZ250F. When I asked her if she wanted to do this video, she was kind of scared and hesitant. She just came off an ankle surgery at the end of March. She broke it pretty bad. She was playing softball, slid into second base, and it was really bad. It was gruesome and ugly. With her only being 5'4", it's gonna be interesting to see if she can touch the ground or not. Do you have anything to say or any thoughts about riding?
Nope, I watched a couple YouTube videos.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
She said she'd been watching some YouTube videos. Let's see if she can actually start the bike first. All right, so she's sitting up there. She don't look too bad on it, I would say. So how do you start it? Is this red button right here? Is that how you start it?
Nope.
What about this blue switch right here? Is that how you start it?
Maybe.
Maybe? Can you show me how to start it? Okay, you're hot. You're really hot. All I'm saying is, if she can start it, she can ride it. Now that she got the bike started on her own, it's all warmed up, so I'm gonna give her some gloves, a helmet, and some goggles. Here's some riding gloves. Thor riding goggles. What are you doing?
What? Is this how they go?
No! This thing first, silly. By the way, shout out to my amazing girlfriend for buying me that helmet, but that's besides the fact. Pull the clutch in. Put it in first. Are you gonna hold on? Yep, center. Release it slow. Pull the clutch in. Put it in second. Up, forward.
I can't.
Okay, release it slowly. Release it. Alright, not much. Alright. Just pull the clutch in. Alright. Release it slowly. Guys, she's doing it. Look at her. She's doing it. You're good, baby. Remember, pull the clutch in when you want to stop and use your brake. Give it a little gas. Give it a little gas. There you go. You can switch gears if you want. Guys, she actually did it. Watching all those YouTube videos paid off. I'm super proud of my girlfriend.
I'm super sweaty.
She's-
Don't recommend if you don't want to sweat.
She said don't recommend if you don't want to sweat. If you guys like the video of my girlfriend learning how to ride a dirt bike, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Well, with that being said, I'll see you guys next video.